Hello, hello. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, mister.
Hello. Hello, hello. Wait, I still didn't see your camera. Can you turn on?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
It's my sound clear.
Yeah?
Yeah, I cannot see your face. Can you turn on your camera? All right. So, no, you look more handsome because you open it. Okay, anyway, how are you today?
I'm good.
You are good. Are are your mm, uh city is already raining all day or no?
No?
No, it's still hot in there in Bekasi. In Bekasi, right?
Yeah?
In Bekasi still didn't rain.
No?
No.
Yeah.
Did you have raining in this week?
Yeah? Yesterday there's rain.
Rain, but now it's not.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, okay. In but uh from the yesterday in the Jakarta. I think it's very bad weather. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a bad day. How about in Bekasi? Is it just regular rain on or bad day?
Just yesterday is a thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm. Yeah. Okay, it's a thunderstorm. Okay, so bad weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, also in mine, it's in the Surakarta, also in the center Java. I have rain all day. It's like 2 days too. I didn't see the sunning the sun is going up and I didn't see the sun, so it's just cloudy every day and raining
Mm,
rain. So, but okay, we will continue to our lesson. Okay, this is our lesson two. It's about list. Okay. Do you still remember what we learned in the last lesson?
yeah.
What's that?
Uh, Try and accept.
Try and mess up. Okay, you learn about this and you learn about how to go back and remember about function that you already learned in the Python Start 1. Okay. Okay. For this while, still remember about it.
Okay.
For I in range, still remember.
Yeah.
What different for I in range with while?
Uh, for I and range will do it in how in terms of I,
Yeah,
while will do it as long as the condition is met.
yeah. As long as condition is not true. Yes, correct. Yeah. Right. And then function. Still remember how you create the function with def? Still remember, right? Or
Yeah.
maybe no. Yeah. How we can create the function. All right. Now we are going to learn about list again. You already learned about it, but today we are going to repeat. I mean, see again uh our materials that we already learned. So remember,
Okay.
it's about structure of order the storage of data, and it means the list every data in list have index. Okay, and the beginning of the index is start from what number that index start? Index
Zero.
zero, yes. And you can call the index. this, and basically it will be appear the value, something like that. You call the index is zero, and the data will be appear. Base result is 181 because it's zero. How if you call that index, you change this zero to 5, what data will be appear?
Uh, the number.
Yes, what number will be appear if you change the 0 to 5?
179.
Yeah, correct. Because it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct, Ian. Good. Yeah.
Okay.
Next, we'll learn again about list. How you can add the list, how you can append. Append is adding the data. How you can print the list. How you can make the empty list. How you can using condition, and how you can making something like that to sort with alphabetical. So
Okay.
remember how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like to see. I would like to show you how we can do with this list. First of all, make the list new list with that, and make uh add data inside of list. We can use append. All right, so remember
Okay.
how to do it.
Yeah.
Next, how we can make while, and it we will repeat again, enter the data list until we put the zero. We should use while student not equal. So you will when you not typing zero and enter or stop the input, you will be asking again the name of the student, and it will be included inside of list right here. Okay. All right. And when you uh input three data as like Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar, it will preprint Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar in their list, in their students
Okay.
list. Okay, so remember, right?
Yeah.
Next, next, this is more complex because it have condition. What is mean if student in students?
Okay.
uh, what the input, what input if I put Smith again, if I typing Smith again and enter, or if I typing Johnson, what input will be appear?
Okay.
Okay, and what input that will be appear when I input the last student name and I put Smith or Johnson? What program will be, what output from the program if I type Smith or Johnson here?
Uh,
See this function
yeah.
because the students already inside of list.
Okay.
So when I type it again and enter, what gonna be happen?
This student is already enrolled.
Yes, because we have same name.
Okay.
And if we don't have same name right here, so what gonna be happen if we don't have same name? Like for example, I type Ronaldo or Neymar
Yeah.
here. What that mean?
Uh, it will enter it.
Yeah, the data that I type will be on there. Okay.
Yeah.
And next, before I print, if I already finished with all of that zero like here, and I type zero, and it will be solved. Okay, if we have Smith and Johnson, what can be first print? And what is that mean? So remember? What
Uh,
function? Sort is for sorting alphabetical.
oh, okay.
Okay, so it will be uh ascending for alphabet. It's from T and S. If if we add Aguero or maybe Budi, something like that, it will be Aguero, Budi, and then Johnson, and then Smith right here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Is there any question?
No.
I would like to show you how we can work in the platform. I would like to open and then go to learning right here. We are in the lesson 38 right here. Number one. Uh, yeah, there is any for answer. I believe you can see it. This is you already know about it because I already give it to you. Next, let's start from this. Let's read the okay. Okay, here. So, okay, there is any bad input amount of students. How we can uh counting amount on data instead of list. To remember how to do it, we use function.
Yeah.
And what function that we use? LE,
Length.
yes. And then the name of the uh list. What's that?
Students.
Okay, smart. Okay, good job. Because you already answered it. And then let's try to play. This is bad input. Why? What is show? For blah 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 in blah blah blah.
Uh, I
Oh,
in range.
no. For because if I in range, so why if this is flexible because this is not static, dynamic.
Yeah.
So
For students
yeah, for student in
in range.
not names. What's names?
In among student
No. One of
in
students is it's list for students, yeah.
oh oh yeah, for students in list.
In students, yes, list students, correct. And sort is not defined. What we should add before the sort,
Okay.
like this. If we add sort, it should be like this. So what we gonna type?
What?
What we gonna type before the sort?
Uh uh students dot sort.
Yeah. All right, all right. And try. Okay, good. Everything was good. If we delete this, it will be like, yeah. But if we adding so, oh, it's already sorted. That's right. Okay. You remember about the do you know about this?
About what?
About that I already give it to you? You understand?
Yeah.
Um, you have any question, Alma?
No.
Let's do until number six. If you already
Okay.
finished, I already give it all of the materials for you. Yeah, if the
Okay.
example, if any case you forget with the materials, you can open the PowerPoint. It's from
Okay.
and yeah, from number seven, I will give it to you. I will explain it to you. I think that's
Okay.
all. Is there any question?
No.
If no, yeah, we can do. I will stop share screen and you can share.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Yeah. A list contain elementary different data type. Yes. Okay.
Uh,
Sort correct. Getting list number is item. Number no. Getting a list. Yes, it's not this. Yeah, and then having item in a list.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's still wrong. All is correct, but there's two is wrong. Okay, okay. Next. All right. For students, for student or student.
Oh yeah, for student. Wait, what? Is it? Wait. Wait. What?
For student in students, not list, but students.
Oh iya.
Yeah. All right. Next. Yeah. After this, you need to add. Just add. Not change anything from there.
Wait,
Yes, if what? Yeah. If searching, no. If searching in trips only, not have equal true. If searching in
Oh,
trips, yes. Okay. Tab. All right. This is the I already sent it to you. Let's make an empty list. And after that, make an input. Convert it to lower. Something like that.
yeah, okay. Uh, Wait, hold on. Oh my God. Wait,
No, the subject is basically you can make the empty input with list and then parentheses for subjects.
oh, wait.
Yeah,
For subjects?
subjects. Yes, list then parentheses. Yeah, and then for subject you can make it input enter subject blah blah blah. All right, something like that, and
Okay.
make it lower.
Okay.
All right, I think not. Is that is it? It can. Yeah. Let's try. Let's try first. Hmm. Okay. Yeah,
Wait.
lower is not defined. So basically, it's a subject equal subject dot lower in the below of there.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm. Equal subject subject dot lower.
Oh,
Yeah. And then remove the parentheses before the input and after the input. And then yeah, add parentheses after the lower. Yeah, let's create while. If you forget, you can see my
what?
uh you can see my presentation.
Yeah, on page,
Yeah, yeah.
on page.
And on page number 38.
Okay.
Yeah, something like that. But the list already correct like this. But you will adding lower. All right. Then no, it's like a comma list.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, comma subject. And it should to be have flower two on there after this subjects.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Names to, oh yeah, subject.
All right, students. Yeah, it's student. Oh yeah, subject. Yes.
One, one, two, two, three, one.
Zero. Okay,
One, two, two, eight, four, three, nine, four, four.
let's try to zero.
Zero.
Okay. Next, I would like to share this here. Wait for this one. It will be like this. I would like to share screen. Share my screen. First, we should
Yeah.
have amount 5, amount 4, amount 3. Why is like this? Because we uh we only counting if the performance, if the S is 5, 4, or 3. So we should only counting the performance of like 4, 5, 4, or 3.
Okay.
And after we input, we will add this academic performance. If the performance uh, like this marks 100, it's the performance will be the grade, how many grade marks, how many amount of there, and the performance progress is basically the percentage of this.
Okay.
All right. Okay, I think that's all. Uh, you can try. Is there any question from your side?
No.
Okay, if no, it will be last question, and after this we will next to our materials. Okay, I will stop, and we will next to our this materials that I will show you. I will stop.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Next. Stop that. All right.
What's wrong?
Wrong. What's wrong?
Yeah, uh, it still isn't correct.
Incorrect. Let's try again.
1, 1, 4, 5, 2, 3, 0. 5, 5, 5, 5, 0. 1, 0. See, it still isn't correct.
Wait. Let's try to 5, 3, 3, and 0. And the input. I think all is correct, but let's try 3,
0,
0, or maybe 3, 4, 5, 3,
4,
4, 5, 0.
0.
To at least wait. What's incorrect? Wait. I would like to see. Mm, wait. Um, create list performance underscores stop input max stop input enter. Oh, I know. Here, the problem is here. It's have like this one. Sorry, it's wrong. It's have like this. The maximum grade after the input.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, right here. You can just click. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, wait.
You can copy paste from there.
Okay.
From there. Yeah. 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 It's have this. Let's try again.
What? 5, 4, 3, 0.
Oh, wait.
4, 3, 5, 1, 1, 2, 0.
It's not work.
What?
Um, Max, Max, amount of 5, 4, 3 input. Let's try see on there. Enter grade, stop input. The maximum grade already correct. Everything was correct. The maximum grade is can you click this image? Yes. Everything is correct. Yeah. Grade list already. Wait. What is different than this? For mine already correct, but from yours not. Underscore, yes, correct. Enter grade, yes. 0, stop input. The maximum grade is 5. Can you click this? Wait.
What?
Approve.
Okay, wait.
Okay, I think the minimum grade is 0. Okay, correct. Everything was correct here. I still didn't get it. What's wrong with that? Yeah, and the input, yeah, already. How if we running it and wait, how if reload and running again?
Okay.
Let's try running again because everything was good. 0. Let's try to check. No,
No.
it's really bad. Wait, I will like give you my and you can enter it in the below of there. Let's see what different.
Below what?
below your program.
Okay.
Oh,
What?
marks, marks, marks. No, 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 no. All is correct. Wait, marks. Let's scrolling up. Yeah, all is marks. There's marks, and marks here. One, two, three, four. Yeah, all is correct. But I don't know what happened. Let's try using mine.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, yeah. You
Hold
can
on.
delete your program and using mine.
Wait.
Yeah.
1, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0.
Yeah, you can delete your program
Yeah,
and yeah,
aku
let's
use.
using mine. I don't know what happened, but it's auto check didn't work.
Yay.
Yeah, finally worked, but still didn't know what is wrong. Okay. Let's see. Come back. I would like to share to you. Wait. Let me share screen. You can stop share
Okay.
screen,
Yeah.
and I would like to share here. Next, we are going to learn about a for private school. We will learn about split. Basically, the split, the material is very simple. Split is basically the opponent from list. If list we combine it together, but if we split, we from the one data we split into list.
Okay.
Okay. Basically, the list is very simple. We just type it max split right here, and we separate with space. We can, or with strip, with comma, everything we can.
Okay.
Usually we put with space. All right, like this one. If we want to separate with space, so it will be included on the list. So the program will become a list. But just the program will this is only not list, but this program just separate with space. But the program if we make split, so the program will become list. Okay, that's all. And next, I would like to share right here. Number two. Okay, let's doing this task. And after that, I will show you how we can do task number three. First, right here.
Okay.
Okay, let's create input. Let's create input. Max create. Let's prepare it. Enter create. Max input. Enter creates. Space. Like here. Input, sorry, typo, enter create, and then after that, we can dot marks dot marks equal marks dot split, and we put the space right here. Okay, you got it?
Okay.
Can't do anything right here. It's already correct. We just need to make if growth is equal one, then we put the If it's growth, what we gonna be for output here? The output will be stable here. What's that? If the growth is one, stable per performance right here. And then else, if not stable, so we will print right here. Performance is not stable right here. Okay, that's all. You got it?
Okay.
Let's try 3, 4, 5, 5. Yeah, stable. Yeah, I always have this auto check. I don't know what's happened with that. Maybe like this auto check is just free stable performance and the performance is not stable. Stable performance and its performance not stable. Yeah, I just oh this is the performance not stable. We have the yeah. Okay, that's all. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Let's doing until number 3. That's all from my side for lesson today. Let's do until number 3. I would like to stop. You can stop. It's an
Wait.
error will be occur. It's a remove here, remove, and 1, 2, 3 is replace. Replace is 1, 2, 3. No, here it's here from there.
Okay.
And the split and put the here put and the split also on here. Yeah, and that's all. All right, next. Right. All right. Yeah, let's do it. All right. Will maybe I would like to share screen about this.
Okay.
This will be final task here. Okay. So, we can just need to copy from there. Copy because it's same. Minimum is just we change it a little bit. We just need to copy from there. Max and max. We can copy right here. And we adding amount of five. We adding four marks. If any marks five, we counting this amount as one total length and uh marks and then multiplication 100 and we have perfection factor. That's right. If the four, oh sorry, four, five, five, four, five, okay, which means it's a three out of four, so we have 75 back here. Okay, that's all. Let's do that. It will be final pass. All right, I will stop. Can check.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Let's have reflection for lesson today. Uh, all right. Wait. I would like to share. Okay. What you learn today?
List.
Yes, list. And what? How? What do you know about the list?
Like what list is, or
What is list?
list is a list,
Yeah, list and contain the data, and the
a
data is
data,
have list of what is called
number.
number index.
Yeah, index.
And what function that you use for the list?
Len.
Len. Then what
Uh,
is len? What function used for?
to know the length of the list.
Yes. And then how about the sort?
The what?
Sort. How about
Oh,
sort?
uh, the list name
All right.
dot sort,
All right.
parenthesis.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's good. And we learn about how we can adding list with append. We can create list, and we learn about split too.
Yeah.
Basically, this is open and open the list. Okay, that's all for the lesson today. Everything was great. Everything was good, good enough, and you almost 90% can do this the task.
Okay.
Okay, is there any question from your
No.
side? If you
No.
have no question, we will finish this lesson and see you next week. Yeah.
Okay. Goodbye, Mister. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you. Bye
Bye.
bye. Bye.